Oh, hello guys, you're welcome to yet another video again. On today's episode, I'll be telling you some hard truths that you were not told by your Forex gurus. Forex is presented in a flashy manner on social media and the rest of them. And I want to tell you some things that probably you were not told. Probably your trading gurus are hiding it from you. And at the end of this video, I will be giving you some useful steps to take for you to be a very good and a sound trader, for you to be a sound trader in the long run. I hope you are ready for this, guys. I hope you are ready for this. So please listen. The first truth you were not told about Forex is that Forex, well, is a lucrative business, which you all can agree. You were not told that forest takes time, it takes effort, it takes dedication to be successful. You see your trading gurus just say buy here and sell here, and buy here, take profit here, sell here. Those things they do, they don't open the exact, some of them do not open what they do to you, what they do at the back end. It's a time of effort. They give time, effort, and dedication for them to be successful. Now my question to you is, are you willing to give that time? Okay, so though it's lucrative, however, the reality is that becoming a successful forex trader is not as easy as it seems on social media. That's what I'm saying. It requires a lot of discipline too, and understanding of the market and how it operates. Many people are drawn to forex trading by the promise of easy money and quick profit. But the truth is that it is highly volatile and unpredictable market. That means you can lose your money eventually. Okay, so one of the biggest misconception, please pay attention, about forex trading is that anyone can do it. Is that true? And make money with little or no effort. Is that true? Okay, let's go on. It is true that anyone can, you open a brokerage account and just start trading, but it takes a lot of skill to become successful. It takes a lot of skill. It takes a lot of dedication. And many new traders, maybe you are a new trader watching this video right now, make the mistake of jumping into the market without doing their homework, understand the risk involved, which often lead to significant, losses. Another common misconception about forex trading is that it's a get rich quick scheme. This is a total lie. It is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. It can make you wealthy, that is not disputable, but it is not a get rich quick scheme. What that simply means is that you may not even get 1 naira in the first 1 year, in the first 2 years. It may take a long time before you become profitable. You will make money here and there and still losing back to the market, going back and forth. That can happen, but being sustainably successful in this space takes effort, a lot of effort. Well, you can do Google it on your own and see how many years some people that are trading today, how long they have been in the marketplace, trading the forex market. So that simply means, in a nutshell, that you will not get wealthy overnight. You will not buy Lamborghini overnight. You will not buy Rolls Royce overnight. Therefore, success in forex requires patience, discipline, and the ability to manage risk effectively. It's a game of luck and chance, but rather a strategic and calculated approach to trading that requires a lot of time and effort. Another biggest challenge that traders face is that they are very emotional. They've not been able to deal with the emotional aspect, of trading, and that can have a toll on you. Maybe, for instance, your first trade you made profit, your second trade you made profit, your third trade you make losses. Then you see the trader start revenging and going again and again and again until he blows his account. That is usually the story of every newbie trader. Maybe that may be your story as you're listening to me. But however, there are things you must do, and that is why I want you to pay attention to the end of this video. Let me pause a bit and tell you Please take a minute to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. Just subscribe in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I hope you've subscribed. Okay, thank you very much. Now, okay, let's continue. Another biggest challenge that new forex trader face, I was saying, is the aspect of emotion aspect of trading. The market can be very volatile and unpredictable, and it can lead to a lot of stress and anxiety for traders. Many people, because of emotions, they just start making irrational decisions, and that will hinder your success as a forex trader. To be successful in forex trading, traders must learn how to control their emotions and make disciplined and rational decisions. That is, they must have a solid trading plan in place that outlines their goals, their risk tolerance, and trading strategy. And this is not just enough to draft this plan. This plan must be followed consistently, and at all times you shouldn't violate this plan. Okay, the another aspect of trading that maybe probably some persons were not told is the aspect of the presence of losses, or the presence of giving yourself to study. Some person just you see some videos online, they will tell you 5 minutes 1 minute strategy to any millions. You just see the person just draw 1 minute chart and just make trade of 1 minute chart, and you see the profit. Boy, in the recent, there are other things he did at the background that he's not telling you. So after telling you all this, what are the steps you have to take to become a profitable trader in the long run? Please drink water and come back again. Let's continue. I hope you've drunk water. Okay, let's continue. The first thing you must do to be sustainably profitable in the forex space is education. And one of the most important things you can do to yourself as a forex trader is to educate yourself about the market. That is why the slogan comes: you learn before you earn. You learn before you earn. You learn before you earn. It's not the other way around. If you want to earn before you learn, your journey will be full of ups and downs. It will be full of several heartaches and headaches. So therefore, you must give yourself to education, and this includes learning about technicals and fundamental analysis, understanding different trading strategies, and sticking up to one that is best suitable for you. Okay, education is key. Number 2 things you should do to be sustainably successful is to develop a trading plan. This cannot be overemphasized, guys. It cannot be overemphasized. You must have a trading plan. Not to have a trading plan is a plan to fail as a trader. Not to have a trading plan is a plan to fail as a trader. You must have a trading plan. Your trading plan, like I stated earlier on, must have your risk management. How much are you risking per trade? Is it 1% of your capital? Is it 2% of your capital? It must have your trading rules, your entry rules, and your exit rules. You understand what I'm saying? So your trading plan must contain those, and it should be as simple as A, B, and C. It should not be ambiguous, so that you can easily follow it any day, anytime. I hope that is clear, guys. Please, I hope you are penning this down. It's very key. Now, the third thing is practice. Okay, I've talked about trading plan. Practice good risk management. This cannot be overemphasized, guys. Many people just place a trade, they risk 1% on the first trade, they risk 10% on the second trade, they risk 3% on the third trade. This will never make you sustainably successful in this space. If you are risking 1% per trade, risk 1% per trade. If you are risking 0.5, risk 0.5% per trade, or let it be within a close range. Like, okay, risking 0.5% to 1%, or risking 5% to, let's say, 10%, just a close range. Let it not be, okay, you risk 10% today, you are risking 20% tomorrow, you're risking 30% tomorrow. When you do that, you will not be able to, be successful trading the forex space. I hope that is clear, guys. Number 4, I will just give you 5 tips here. and I will call it a day. Number four is that you must keep your emotions in check, guys. You must keep your emotions in check. There are things you must have at the back of your mind, that when my psychology or my emotion is messed up, what do I do? You should have some things to do. For instance, personally, when my emotions or my psychology is messed up, I just shut my system and just leave my trading office and just go out and do other things that are best important to me. That is what I do. I just close it, put off my data or my MiFi, just go out and just discuss with people around. That is that is a strategy I've adopted, and it has been working for me. I don't revenge trade. My level of revenge any losses I've made, I've reduced to the barest minimum, almost negligible, guys. So that is, you must have a way you control your emotions. Let it be very clear to you. Have it at the back of your mind before you even start trading. Just say it to yourself that if I hit stop losses and it's affecting my psychology or my emotions, it has affected my emotions. This is this and this and this and this is what I do. Some persons just prefer to play games just to distract themselves at that time, so that they will not make trade that are impulsive. Okay. Now, the last on the list, please, this is the very important. Be in the company of profitable and trained traders. Be in the midst. They said your net worth can be determined by your network. You are a trader and you don't have community of traders. It is very wrong. No man can succeed alone. When you put a broomstick, just one broomstick can be easily broken, but a bunch of it cannot be easily broken. So you must be in the community of profitable traders, so that you can be, when you are, just imagine, for example, you are making losses and you see someone with is a track record of, he was making losses and now he's back to profit. That will go a long way to boost your morale and have you come back strong and better. I hope this was insightful, guys. I will catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Cheers and God bless you.